Welcome everybody to the channel. Coming to you today with Stellar. Oh, Stellar, like the chalkboard says, Stellar in the corner. Stellar's coming out that corner, y'all. We're going to come over here and we're going to do the charts on Stellar. We're going to get over here and look at XLM. Currently, we just had a bearish crossover, but it looks like to me that XLM's trying to push back up. We're in an area of support right there that ranges from 17.1 cent up to 18.5 cent. We're currently sitting at 17.7 cent. We up today on this new day 1.30%, a little over 1%. We've been on this new day an hour and almost 2 hours. Let's round it off 2 hours. Had some low selling pressure in the last several hours. Last several days. This is on the daily chart I'm on right now, but the last 2 days have been showing a little buying pressure, low volume, but we are on the buying side, and that's good. Coming down to the bottom of this support range right here where we was at, we dipped down to, we've come all the way down to 16.8 cents, and now we're trying to push back up. Overall market, Bitcoin sitting at 59,800. Bitcoin is going through a little struggle right now, trying to hold this floor around 58, 59,000, somewhere around 58,000, 60,000, trying to hold that floor, trying not to break through that floor. And got a little fear in the market, got extreme fear in the market. Want to bring that to you. Also, we're still in extreme fear, and that's what you get when you're in a bear market. But when you see extreme fear, y'all, keep buying. Keep buying these dips. Keep buying these red days. And I want to bring a little technical and a little info to you on Stellar. So we're going to get right on over here in the charts. And like the title says, 50X on Stellar. So listen to me. What if Stellar learns one of the oldest and the most undervalued projects in crypto, y'all, is quietly setting up for one of the biggest moves of the next bull run? I'm saying it's setting up for one of the biggest bull runs coming. Today we're doing a full technical breakdown and the breakdown of the XLM chart. Looking at the key indicators. We're going to look at the volume delta. We're going to look at the open interest and why the upcoming tokenization wave with the DTCC, Canton, and Stellar integration could send XLM parabolic. And this is true, y'all. A potential 50X from current levels. If you're tired of chasing meme coins, you better just throw them to the side, y'all. Because this real utility, crypto is coming in full effect, and you want to be where the money's at. The current price, what I want to bring to you in the big picture right now is XLM is trading, as you can see, around 17.4, 17.5. On the chart, looking at the 4-hour chart, we're in a long-term downtrend, and we've been in this downtrend since 2024, 2025 highs when Stellar went up, made all-time new highs, not all-time new highs, but made its highs for this previous bull run. But we're showing signs of consolidation on the charts and potential basing. And what I mean by basing, sellers are getting exhausted. Weak hands are getting out. Buyers are starting to step in, and you can see that on the chart. With all this DTCC news, with the tokenization of real-world assets, Stellar has been one of the most slept-on assets. Nobody's been covering this token, but look, content is everywhere. Now, XLM is in XRP content. XRP and XLM. And I'm not saying XRP ain't going to do tokenization, real world assets. I'm not saying that. But for the longest time, it's been XRP. While Stellar was over there on the back burner. While everyone chases hype, XLM is building real partnerships in cross-border payments and now tokenization. So let's break down the chart, y'all. On the CVD, we see a heavy negative CVD on both spot and futures. Sellers have been in control, but the slope is flattening, a possible sign of exhaustion. Open interest is sitting at a healthy, if you look at it on the chart, healthy levels around 240 some million. It shows sustained interest without extreme leverage, y'all. MACD is currently showing a slight bullish crossover attempt on the 4-hour chart, and the RSI sitting around 44, no, right now currently 53, what I see. So, and it's starting to, it's turn over to the bullish side of the RSI, what we can see right there. So now the MACD, yeah. So the stochastic RSI recently crossed upward from the oversold territory. Short-term bullish signal right there, y'all. Looking good for overall structure. We're forming higher lows in the recent weeks as we've seen this news. Break above 20 cent, 22 cent could confirm a reversal, y'all. The tokenization, here's where it gets interesting from the tokenization. The DTC is going live with tokenized assets in July. This coming up month, 2026 pilot. And the full launch is in October. They're also integrating with Stellar Network in the first half of 2027, y'all. Stellar is built for fast, cheap cross-border payments and asset tokenization. This DTCC and the Stellar connection is huge, y'all. This is big. Hey, it wasn't Stellar coming out and saying we're going to partner, or content says Stellar was going to partner with the DTCC. The DTCC come out and say, hey, we partnering with Stellar. Stellar's fees, low fees and speed gives it a massive advantage over Ethereum, y'all. XLM becomes the gas token for the new financial infrastructure, y'all. So, a 50x, what I got on the title, bull case at roughly, and a 50x would get us around, I'd say $8 to 50 cents to $9. And many people might ask the question, could XLM really do this? Sounds crazy. But I want to bring something to your attention. Think about it. Just in 2017 bull run, XLM did over a 300x, y'all. Go back and look at it. In 2017, the bull run, XLM did over a 300x. In the last cycle, it did, still did strong multiples. And that was because of real utility and payments. Okay, so you think about it. A 50x to 20x in a full bull market is not impossible, y'all. Not for a top 10 to 15 ranked crypto project with real adoption. And of course, you're still gonna have risk. It comes with anything that you especially crypto. You got risky assets. Crypto is risky. But this that I'm backing this with is with real utility, real adoption. This ain't speculation. This ain't hype. This ain't. It's gonna be. This is it. They done made the announcement. It's gonna happen. Stellar has been quiet for years, y'all, but the pieces are falling into place. DTC going live in July could be the spark that wakes up the entire RWA in the payment sector. If you believe in real world utility will win in the next bull run, I think this is going to be where the catalyst is going to be. RWA tokenization. I think this is going to be the main thing on the next bull run cycle. This is where it's going to all start, and this is where it's all going to finish. I do believe that. XLM deserves a spot in your portfolio if you believe what I'm telling you. If you don't mind, drop XLM in the comments if you're bullish on Stellar. Like the channel, subscribe to the channel, because I'm not chasing hype. I'm not bringing hype to you. I told you what it did in the 2017 bull run, and I'm telling you what it could do. This is real tokenization. This ain't no this is the real deal here, y'all. And then you got, I don't think the Clarity Act's going to get passed this year. I think it would be in 2027. I don't think it's going to be, it's going to get passed in this Donald Trump term. It's going to get passed. Don't worry about that, but it could be pushed into 2027 or sometime towards the end of this year. But I do believe that the Clarity Act's going to get passed, sometime in 2027. But listen, y'all, everybody's focused on the Clarity Act. Yes, it'll do a good deal. But listen, the DTCC is in July. They're doing the pilot. They're starting with the pilot. They're gonna start. All right, in 2027, the first half of 2027, this is where Stellar is gonna roll in. This is where Stellar is going. They done got it mapped out. They done announced it when they're gonna start, and it's gonna happen, y'all. It's gonna happen. Unless something major would happen to the Stellar Network, something major, some massive hack or so. I don't, anything's possible. But it would have to be something massive before they change their mind, because they do like what they see. The DTCC likes what they see with Stellar, because they want to come out and make the public announcement. So again, subscribe to the channel, y'all. Leave a comment, and I appreciate everybody that does watch this content, because those that follow me, the next bull run cycle, I'm telling you, they're going to have a bag. You hear me? Now, if they vest, like I tell you, I asked them to, or I'm not no financial advisor, but usually when you come on here with content, people follow what you do. And if that happens, there's going to be some wealthy people on this channel. There's going to be some healthy people on this channel. It's all left up to you. You have control over your own money, your own destination. But that's the reason I started this channel. It's getting off real slow, but hey, that's fine. That's fine. Once everybody starts finding out about this channel, and soon later on I'm gonna come out with a trading group, but and then we'll go from there. Whoever wants to join, they can join. But we ain't gonna be we're gonna be down there straight up making money. So if you like the content, again, subscribe to the channel. Glad y'all come by. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Till the next one, God bless you. And we'll see you then.